Hey, car enthusiasts! In today's video, we're diving into 15 amazing facts about the Suzuki Kei, a true icon of compact cars from 1998 to 2009. Whether you're into retro rides or quirky cars, you'll want to stick around for this one. Fact number 1. The Suzuki Kei was a part of the Kei car category in Japan, which means it was built to meet specific size and engine regulations, making it super compact and perfect for tight urban spaces. Fact number 2. Despite its small size, the Kei was powered by a 660cc three-cylinder engine, making it incredibly fuel-efficient and perfect for city driving. Fact number 3. The Suzuki Kei was actually quite ahead of its time, featuring a surprisingly modern dashboard design for a car from the late 90s. Fact number 4. The Kei offered a range of vibrant colors, from bright reds to electric blues, adding a fun touch to the urban landscape. Fact number 5. Its compact size wasn't just for looks. It made parking a breeze, especially in Japan, where tight spaces are the norm. Fact number 6. Despite its tiny size, the Suzuki Kei had a surprisingly spacious interior with clever foldable rear seats for extra storage. Fact number 7. The Kei came in 4 body variants, meaning it was just as capable on rougher terrain as it was on city streets. Fact number 8. Its round headlights became one of the Kei's most iconic design elements, giving it a playful and distinctive look. Fact number 9. The Suzuki Kei was marketed as the ultimate city car in Japan, targeting young drivers and urban commuters who wanted a cheap, fun, and practical vehicle. Fact number 10. Despite being a compact car, it was equipped with safety features like airbags and anti-lock brakes, making it a safe choice for city driving. Fact number 11. Don't expect to break any speed records. With only about 60 horsepower, the Kei was designed for efficiency, not speed. Fact number 12. Because of its affordability and reliability, the Suzuki Kei became one of the most popular used cars in Japan after its production ended. Fact number 13. The Suzuki Kei featured a highly functional interior design with easy-to-use controls and ergonomic seating, all packed into its small footprint. Fact number 14. The Suzuki Kei was one of the pioneers of the Kei car revolution in Japan, inspiring many other brands to jump into the segment. Fact number 15. The Suzuki Kei might be small, but it has left a big legacy, known for its unique blend of practicality, fun, and iconic design. So there you have it, 15 amazing facts about the Suzuki Kei. What's your favorite thing about this little legend? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car content.